My defense build. What do I got? I got the chocolate marshmallow. Yes, sir. Oh man, it's about to be super cookie. And then we got the ninjutsu. I got magnetic style, gold dust, great barrel, toad oil bombs, switched up, and sage mode. But I think I'm gonna switch that up to actually. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, we're gonna go with Grand Sand Mausoleum. Let's do a full sand build. So yeah, see what to do with that. Oh, you dare interrupt my combo? You dare interrupt my combo, Bato? I'm not done with you. I'm not finished with you. Where you going? You know what? Stay right there, man. Stay right there, my friend. Stay right there, my friend. I'm gonna sweep you off your feet, man. I'm gonna sweep you right off your feet, Bato. Where are you going, my friend? What? Come here, my friend. Yes, it's over, man. It's over, Bato. It's over. Game over, Bato. Where you going? Where you going? You want some? You want some of this, Bato? You want some of that mallet, my friend? Come here. Come here, my friend. You think you're hot stuff, huh? Where are you going? Where are you going, my friend? You can have some of that too, my friend. Get back. What are you doing? I wasn't done. I wasn't done, my friend. Where you going? Come here. Come here. All right, you know what? Have that. How about that? Stop all that. Get hit with this marshmallow. Get hit with this marshmallow. Get hit with that marshmallow, my friend. Where you going? Where are you? Where are you going? Such brutality. Oh my gosh, I actually might like this weapon. Yeah, there's some grade A losers. But the goal here that I have is just trying to kill at least one of them. If I can kill at least one of them, I think I'll be alright with that. Yeah. How about that? How about this then? How about this then? Since you want to stand there and look cool. Yeah, how about that one? How about that? How you feel about that one? Are you serious? Oh, you lame. You're so lame. You're so lame. How you feel about that one? How you feel about that one? Oh, come on. Come on. Don't save him. He don't want to be saved. Oh my gosh. I'm hitting with the loogie. Oh my god. No. What, that sword? Where'd she get that sword from? That sword looking different. It's a mod sword. I bet they using mod weapons, y'all. They trying to kill me with mod weapons. Y'all see the brutality. This one-sided match. I gotta get going. We gotta get some